Hello students, good morning. So today we are going to talk about another part of Gokhale Bill 1911. Okay, in our previous two classes we already discussed the resolution of Gokhale Bill, or exactly what is Gokhale Bill and what are the main actually clause or important features of the Gokhale Bill. We already discussed in our last class. Okay, so today we proceed with the major point or another specific point of Gokhale Bill 1911, that is the reasons for rejection of the Gokhale Bill 1911. Why the East India Company or the existing company on 1911 rejected the Gokhale Bill. Okay, so today our main focus is what are the reasons for rejection of the Gokhale Bill 1911. Okay, and it was actually for 4 marks. It is also for 5 or 6 marks. Okay, it's up to you for how many marks actually exam question will come, and how you interpret this one. Okay, so let's proceed towards the main point of today's class. So here is a point, that is the bill of 1911 was referred to a select committee of 15 members for examination, and it was taken up for discussion in the council on 17 March 1912. Okay, so this bill was referred to a selected committee of 15 members for examine. Okay, and it was taken up for discussion in the council on 17 March 1912. So keep this actually that in your mind. Okay, after 2 days discussion, Gokhale had raised powerful arguments in support of the bill, but the government was not prepared to accept the bill, as the bill was also opposed by most of the official members. At that time, Gokhale raised powerful arguments and voice in support of the bill. Okay, but the government was not prepared to accept the bill, as the bill was not prepared by the most of the official members. Okay, at last it was put to vote. Okay, finally, regarding the acceptance of the bill, vote was created. Actually, people need to put their vote regarding acceptance or rejection of the bill. It was rejected by 38 votes. Okay, as a result, the first chapter of compulsory education in Indian history had come to the close, as the bill was not accepted by the government. Therefore, in Indian history, this chapter was closed. Okay, so what are the major points of the rejection of the bill is there was no popular demand by the Indians at that time to make primary education compulsory. Okay, there was no popular demand by the Indian people at that time to make primary education compulsory. Secondly, a section of the educated Indian was not supporting the bill. If the Indian people will not support the bill, then it was very difficult on that time for Gokhale to actually inspire others to implement the bill. Okay, nextly, the state governments were not supporting the bill. The state government of India also not supporting the bill. Okay, nextly, there was not importance from the government side regarding introduction of compulsory primary education in India. In the year 1911, the government who existed in India at that time, they don't want to give importance on primary education compulsory or make primary education compulsory. Therefore, the state government side, the state government as well as central government could not give importance on compulsory primary education in India. And finally, the last point, that is the local authorities were not willing to leave education says, and the people of the country were not prepared to accept compulsion. The local authorities not willing to pay any educational tax or any educational money, and the local people of the country were also not prepared to accept any compulsion. Okay, they also not need to pay any money, by any other force. Okay, if someone forced them to pay any money regarding the compulsory primary education, but the people of the country were not prepared to accept that compulsion. So these are some specific point why the Gokhale bill was rejected by the government. Okay, so for today we only learn these things, and I hope that you will understand all the things easily, and the things which are important for you, and if you think that this one is important for me, then put it as your note, keep it as your note. Okay, so till that, thank you.